The machine operator processes 5 types of items on his machine each week and must choose a sequence for them. Must choose the sequence for them. The setup cost per change depends on the items presently on the machine and setup to be made according to the following table. Okay, they are given on table and they are given that whatever the cost, setup cost also they are given in this table. If he processes each type of item once and only once in a week, how should he sequence the items on his machine in order to minimize the total setup cost? Okay, now how to solve this? This method is same. So whatever the problem they are given, so that we need to carry out, and after that we need to go for the row minimization as well as the column minimization. After that we need to assign. And that assignment should be like a traveling salesman problem. Okay, here I have written the matrix, the same matrix what they are given. So first go for the row minimization. So for the row minimization, we need to identify the what is the least number. So what is the least number in the first row? So that is 3 is the least number. So 3 is the least number. So go for 4 minus of 3 is a 1. 7 minus of 3 is a 4. 3 minus of 3 is 0 and 1. And next one bth row. So 3 again 3 is the minimum number. 3, 0 and 1. Next one C through 5 is the minimum number. 2, 1, 2 and 0. And D through 3 is the minimum number. And 4 and 4. Next one E. In the E last row, that is again 4 is the minimum number. 1 and 3. Likewise, we are finished with the row minimization. Now we need to check which column don't have the zeros. For that, we need to go for the column iteration. Only the Cth column, that is the third column, don't have the zeros. Then for that, we can write it. So for all other columns, you can write it same. So no need to calculate. One, 1, 0. Next one 4. So here in the third column, 1 is the least number. So it will be 3, 2, 3 and 0. And the fourth column is a 0. And the fifth column is 1, 1, 0 and 4. Okay, we are finished with the row minimization as well as the column minimization. Now we can go for the assigning. Okay, first we can assign for the first row. Okay, A to E we can assign because there is a 1 0. A to E we can assign. Okay, if you assign A to E we can write. After that, from E he has to go for either B, C or D. He should not go to A here. Okay, from that E. So last column. So there is a B, C, all the three having the zeros. So then we can go for the assigning. E to B also we can assign. If you assign E to B, then so from B he can go for only C and D. Okay, from B he can go for only C and so okay, there is in the B row there is no zeros. So if there is no zero, then we can go for the least number. So whichever is the least. So whatever the options are remaining with us, C and D are remaining. For the C it is a 2, for the E it is a 1, so we can go for 1. So whichever is the least number. Okay, if you go for C, then B to C, and from C he has to go to D only. From the C he has to go to D only. From the C he has to go to D. Now something we made mistake. Okay, at the initial itself it was a to D. Okay, I made a mistake. made a mistake. I will explain once again. Okay, first we are assigned from A to D. First we are assigned from A to D. After that, from D to, so here he can go, from D to he can go to B, C, or E. Okay, B through either B, C, or E. So we can assign this D to B. D to B we can assign. After that, from B to where he can go, from B to either only C or E. From B to C or E. So better go for E. Better go for E. So then after B, he can go to only C. E to C here. Next one, C to A. C to A, this is the problem. Okay, here we can write one answer, that is, so he can assign a sequential order will be A to D, A to D, D to B, the next one B to E, E to C, and C to A. And whatever the cost, that cost you need to write A to D. A to D is how much? 3. Next one 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 5. 17 plus 5 is 22. Okay, this is the one answer. This is one answer we can write. A to D, D to B, B to E, and C to A. This is one answer we can write. The same way we need to check the different answers also. The same way we need to check the different answers. Is there any other possibilities are there? Okay, instead of this, so we can go for another one. So just we need to check that is there any other possibilities. Okay, we can go for A to E. Instead of assigning to 0, if you are assigned to A to E, okay, A to E, after that he is supposed to move, only he should not visit to the A, other than all the cities he can visit. Okay, E to C also, okay, E to C he can go, or else E to B also he can go, E to C he can go, and after that C to B is fine, because already we have assigned yes, so then it is, these two are not possible, and even these two are not possible. So like that. After that, C to B also he can move, C to B, and after that B to D is possible. He's here. B to D, and after that D to A. No other option. He has to move to B to A. In this case, what is the total cost that we need to find? What is the total cost now? Okay, A to E is a 4. A to E is a 4. Next one, 4, 3, 4, 3, 6 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. Okay, this is giving the 21. So it means that we can go for, this is the optimum answer. Thank you.